If you're over 50 and you've been feeling more tired than usual, gaining weight without any clear reason, or noticing changes in your mood that you cannot fully explain, you might think it's simply because you're getting older. But what if that's not the real reason? What if something much deeper is happening inside your body? Something that many women completely overlook. The truth is, your daily habits, especially the foods you eat, can have a powerful impact on your hormones. And the most surprising part is that some of the foods you trust the most might actually be working against you. In this video, you're going to discover 7 common foods that may be quietly damaging your hormone balance after 50, and why avoiding them could completely change how you feel every single day. Hormones are the silent regulators of your body. They control your metabolism, your sleep, your energy levels, your appetite, and even your emotions. After the age of 50, your body becomes more sensitive to hormonal fluctuations. This means that even small imbalances can lead to noticeable symptoms. You may feel tired even after a full night of sleep. You may gain weight even if your diet hasn't changed much. You may feel anxious or emotionally overwhelmed without a clear reason. What many women don't realize is that certain foods can trigger these imbalances. These foods create inflammation, disturb blood sugar levels, and interfere with your body's ability to regulate hormones properly. And because these effects build slowly over time, they often go unnoticed until the symptoms become difficult to ignore. The first and most damaging food is added sugar. Sugar affects your hormones more than most people realize. Every time you consume sugar, your blood sugar rises quickly, forcing your body to release insulin. Over time, repeated spikes in insulin can lead to insulin resistance. This condition not only affects your energy levels, but also disrupts other hormones in your body. You may start to feel constantly tired even if you're getting enough rest. You may experience stronger cravings for sweets and carbohydrates. You may notice weight gain, especially around your stomach. And the most surprising part is that sugar is hidden in many foods that seem healthy. Flavored yogurts, breakfast cereals, granola bars, and even some sauces can contain high amounts of added sugar. Reducing your sugar intake is one of the most powerful steps you can take to restore your hormone balance. The second group of foods to avoid is processed foods. These are foods that come in packages and are designed for convenience. They often contain artificial ingredients, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These substances can increase inflammation in your body, and chronic inflammation is one of the biggest reasons why hormones become imbalanced. When your body is constantly dealing with inflammation, it becomes harder to regulate hormones properly. This can lead to fatigue, digestive issues, and long-term health problems. Many women rely on processed foods because they are quick and easy, but over time, these foods can quietly damage your health. Switching to whole, natural foods can make a significant difference in how your body feels and functions.
The third type of food to be careful with is refined carbohydrates. These include white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, and many types of processed grains. These foods are quickly broken down into sugar in your body. This leads to rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by sudden crashes. This cycle can leave you feeling tired, hungry, and low on energy throughout the day. Over time, this pattern can slow down your metabolisms. Many women notice that after 50, it becomes much easier to gain weight, especially around the midsection. Refined carbohydrates are often a hidden reason for this change. Choosing whole grains and foods rich in fiber can help stabilize your blood sugar and
The fourth category is sugary drinks. This includes soft drinks, flavored juices, energy drinks, and sweetened teas. Liquid sugar is absorbed very quickly by your body. This causes a rapid spike in blood sugar and insulin levels. Unlike solid foods, these drinks do not make you feel full. This means you can consume a large amount of sugar without even realizing it. Over time, this puts a heavy burden on your hormonal system. It can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and increased cravings. Replacing sugary drinks with water, herbal teas, or natural alternatives can have a powerful impact on your health. The fifth food to limit is fried foods. Deep fried foods are high in unhealthy fats that can increase inflammation in your body. These fats can interfere with how your body responds to insulin. They can also affect your heart health and overall energy levels. Many fried foods are also high in calories but low in nutritional value. This means they provide very little benefit while causing long-term harm. Reducing fried foods and choosing healthier cooking methods like baking or grilling can support better hormone health. The sixth food is processed meat. This includes items like sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. These foods often contain preservatives and chemicals that can interfere with hormone regulation. They can also increase inflammation and put stress on your body over time. While occasional consumption may not cause immediate harm, regular intake can contribute to long-term hormonal imbalance. Choosing fresh, unprocessed sources of protein can be a better option for your health. The seventh and final item is excessive caffeine. Many women rely on coffee to get through the day, especially when they feel tired. While moderate caffeine intake can be safe, too much caffeine can increase stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels can disrupt your sleep, affect your mood, and interfere with hormone balance. You may find it harder to relax, sleep well, or feel calm. Reducing caffeine intake and focusing on proper rest can help your body regain its natural balance. But here is something most people do not realize. It is not just one food that causes the problem. It is the combination of these foods over time that slowly disrupts your hormones, and because these changes happen gradually, they are often ignored until they become more serious. The good news is that your body has the ability to heal and restore balance when given the right support. Simple changes can make a big difference. Reducing sugar, avoiding processed foods, choosing whole and natural ingredients, and staying physically active can all help support your hormones. Even small improvements in your daily routine can lead to better energy, improved sleep, and a healthier body. If you want to feel more energized, sleep better at night, and take full control of your health after the age of 50, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more simple, practical, and easy-to-follow health tips designed especially for women like you who want to live a healthier and more active life every day. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. The information shared is based on general knowledge and should not replace professional medical guidance. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any health decisions.